Hello guys, welcome once again to my channel. My name is Jeffrey. I'm a student and an entrepreneur. I make most of my money on the internet. On this channel, I do stuff like how to make money online, YouTube, and affiliate marketing, social media growth, and many more. So if you want to make money online and learn some of these tricks, then hit the like button and the subscribe button to be notified anytime we post a new video. Now in this section, we are going to talk about now how to get followers um, on TikTok, Facebook, how to get subscribers for um, YouTube. So I'm going to take you through some steps on how to do that. So quickly, let's move to your next tab and then type this website called Add Me Fast. So you can see that it is already here. It's called Add Me Fast. So when you click on it, you see that it says Add Me Fast, free social media marketing and crypto promotion. So quickly just click on it, and then you could see from here this is a website. So you could see that it says that now when I go back, it says that Add Me Fast is a network that will help you grow your social presence. We allow you to look and also choose who you want to like, subscribe, follow, view, and then skip whatever video they've placed over there. So when you click on that, so you can see that get free TikTok followers, free Facebook likes, and then all that. So when you click on that, now it takes me straight to my page. Why? Because I've already signed in onto this page. So you could see that from here it says that Add Me Fast. So you could see that you could see from here I have about 1040 points. So I have this point. Now this point, I got this point. So but then when you open your page and then you sign in, you realize that you don't, it will show 0 points over here. But then you would have to work, do some simple tasks in order to get this point. Now we are going to convert this point into money, where we are going to pay others this point for them to subscribe and also follow our TikTok account, Instagram account, our Facebook account. You could also use this so you could see some of these things over here. So you could see that you could use this website in doing for your Facebook page likes and followers, Facebook share, Facebook followers, Facebook post like, and then you could do post share, Discord members, where post share is when you post something and then you want people to share in order for the post to reach others. Discord, you could use them to grow your Discord account. For Reddit members, Reddit app votes, and even Telegram channels, Instagram followers, Instagram likes, TikTok followers, TikTok video likes, TikTok followers, Twitter. So you could see tweet, retweet, and also likes. For YouTube, you could see subscribe, like, views. You could also use this for Twitch followers, websites, to grow your website. Also your Pinterest account, your likey followers and fans, even your SoundCloud followers, your likes and others. So you could see that you could use this thing in growing your social media accounts. So basically you're asking also, how did I get this point over here? So you could get this point just by doing some of these tasks. You could do some of this stuff for others, just as these people will come to your account and also help you grow your social media account. You could also go to their account and also follow them, like their posts, whatever you want to do. So I'm going to do some simple tasks. So when you go to this sidebar over here, it says that daily bonus. So in order for you to get it, you could also go ahead and also buy some points. So you could also invest money and also buy some points so that you could use this point to grow your social media account. But then if you want to get some free coins, these are free coins. I didn't buy any points, but these are free points that I did some tasks in order to get this point. So I'm going to go to one of these and then do one of these tasks. So currently I have I could do YouTube views. So you could see that this, it says view this video for 30 seconds and then get 6 points. So I could get 6 points just by viewing this video for 30 seconds. So you could just click on view video. So when you click on that, then the video pops up. You could see that it is playing the video. So this is automated. The system is automated. So you could see from here that it is actually counting for the 30 seconds. So you could see that it is counting 17, 18, 19. So when it gets to 30 seconds, then the video will just stop, and then you could end your 6 points. So you could see that I have so after the 30 seconds over here, you could see that it is over, and then I have 1040, and then I could, in order for them to also check whether you are not a robot, you could just do some of these things and then submit. When you submit, you could see that I've gotten 6 points more. You could do so. It says that I should view this video for 75 seconds. So when you click on that, you get 11 points. So I'm getting 11 points just by viewing this video. So you could see that the video is over here, and then you could use this thing to grow your YouTube channel, to get views and even get more income. You could see that this guy over here, I'm viewing his ad over here, and also it is counting for 75 seconds over here. So you realize that after the 75 seconds, then I could get 11 more points, which will increase my points over here. So let's quickly get to the 75 seconds. So you could see that you could use this website in growing your channel, in growing your social media channel and account and all that. So over here there are others that you could also get alt tags. So you could do some of these tags, and then you could get a lot of points over here. So you can see that there are a lot of them. You could also refer people. So there is a refer program. Choose this program to earn 300 points for each. So basically you could also click to come to this website. You could also click just search and then come to this website. When you refer people to this website, when you refer these people to the website, so you can see that it is done, and then I'll go ahead and then submit. When I submit, you can see that I've gotten 57 points. So apart from this also, so I could also do this for 150 seconds and get 11 points also. Apart from that, you could also do YouTube likes. So you could see that for YouTube likes, when you click on that, it says that you get 4 points for liking. So just click on like over here, and then I'll go ahead and also like this video. So I could click on like. So it's over here. I'll click on like. When I click on like, then I'll just wait for some seconds and then close this tab. When I close this tab, it says oops. So I should have waited for some time. So let me do another one. So when I like this video, I'll get 11 points just by liking this video. So you could see that from here, I click on like here. So you see that I've liked this video, and then you just have to wait for some seconds before you just click away. So when you like the video, you could just go ahead and then wait for some time, and then just close it. When you close it, then it gives you the point. So it says that, so when you start doing that, you could refresh the whole page and then do it again, and then you could also do others. So it says that we have TikTok video likes, TikTok followers and all that. So we could do others, but then we are going to try this. Now the question is, how do we grow our YouTube channel with our YouTube channel or our social media account with this website? So what I'm going to do is that you go to this tab over here. It says my site. So you just click on add site or link. When you click on add site or link, what we are basically going to do is to grow our YouTube channel or our TikTok or whatever social media. Now I'm going to try with this account over here. It says Smart with Jeffrey. This is one of my old accounts where I used to teach. So I'm going to use this account. So I'm going to copy the YouTube URL over here. So I'll copy that and then go back to add me fast, and then I'll select YouTube. I just want YouTube subscribers, and then you could also choose from different countries over here, the countries that you want them to subscribe. So you could go ahead and choose different countries, but then I'm going to choose worldwide so that it covers each and all countries. So from here, set the title for the site or page. So I will say is that, so I'm going to say that subscribe is that YouTube So I'm going to type subscribe to subscribe for point. So subscribe for point, and then I'm going to copy the YouTube channel username or ID over here, and then I'm going to select the number of clicks that I want. So currently I have about 3 subscribers, so I'm going to choose let's say I want about 20. I want about 20 subscribers, so I'll turn it on. And then daily I still want 20, so you could choose 1,000 subscriber, 2,000, whatever amount that you want. um, then you could choose the points that you'll be paying them. So let me say I'll pay them about 5. I'll pay them 5 points for just subscribing to my channel. So I'll go ahead and click on save changes. So I'll click on save changes over here, and then okay, it couldn't go through. Why? Because I need to use YouTube channel username slash ID only. So um let me go to that particular channel and then do that. So go to that channel, go to settings. When you get to the channel, go to settings, and then under settings you choose view advanced settings. So you can see that it's over here, your user ID or channel ID. So it says they need from here, it says, so let me log in again. So it says they need YouTube username slash ID. So when you get to that channel user ID, I'll copy that. When I copy that, I'll just paste it over there. So I'm going to paste that here. I'll paste that here and then choose YouTube subscribe. Let's paste it again, paste that here, and then I'll say subscribe again, subscribe for point. Say subscribe for point, and then I'm paying about 5, and then I can go ahead and then save. So you could see from here it says subscribe for point, and then it has started paying CPC of that. So let's change that. Let me change the CPC to 5, and then let me save. So you can see that I want a daily click of 20, total click of 20. So currently I'm expecting about 20 more subscribers on my channel. So so from time to time we'll check that also. So let me go back to the channel. So you can see that now I have 6 subscribers. So 6 subscribers, so moving from 3 subscribers all the way to 6 subscribers currently. So I can do that. Now I can also do that for my TikTok followers. So when you go back, you could do another task and then click on TikTok. So you select TikTok followers worldwide, and then it says type your TikTok username only. TikTok username only. So the username for this TikTok for my TikTok account here is, so this movie arena 01. So I'm going to put that here. I'm going to put that here. And then it says how many clicks. So this also I'm going to choose about 20. I'm going to choose 20 because I need 20, and then I'm going to pay that for 5. So I'll go ahead and click on save changes. So you realize that when I click on save changes, it will go ahead and then do that for me. So you can see that currently for my YouTube I have so far 3 clicks, and therefore as people go on and click on your channel, then your points will start decreasing. But then you could also go ahead and be doing some tax in order for all your points not to go away. So you could do that also. Now let's wait for some time. We'll come back and then check for the results. So currently we have about, let me refresh that, we have about 8. So you could see that it is increasing. I have about 8 subscribers currently, and then on my TikTok I have about 6 followers. But then we could also check, and then uh, we still have about 6 followers over here. So let's wait for some time. We'll come back and then check the number of followers and subscribers that we have. So guys, as you can see, after some minutes, you can see that now if you check the subscribe for points, I have about 19 clicks here, and then for the TikTok I have about 1 click. So let's go to the YouTube and then check. So guys, you can see that I currently have about 23 subscribers. Let me refresh it so that you guys will see again. So now it is 24, and then it is even going more and more. So you see that it's 25 now, and then so currently I have about 25 subscribers. And then over here for the TikTok, I have about 10 followers now. So from 6 followers all the way to 10 followers now. There are not a lot of people clicking on that. I think currently there are not a lot of people online. So you can see that I have about 21 clicks here, and then 2 clicks over the top there. So you can see that now I've been able to grow my channel in just in about 5 minutes, or in about 10 minutes, from 6 subscribers all the way to about currently about 25 subscribers, and then over here also 10 to about 10 followers. So you could see that you could use this website in growing your YouTube channel, your Instagram. So I could do that for my Instagram, for my Twitter, and my other social media accounts, and I will be able to grow that. Now you could see that the point here hasn't still increased. It hasn't increased because while people were clicking on it, I was still doing some tax, which has also increased my points again. So along the line, you could also be doing some tax, and then you could also increase your points as you are losing to others also. So you could see that I've been able to grow the channel in about just some minutes. So you could use this software in growing your channel. Now another thing, the last thing I want to show you guys is that, let's say for instance you choose YouTube views, and then you realize that this one is give you 30 seconds to get 4 points. If you want higher points, you could just go ahead and skip. When you skip, it's 30 seconds for 4 points. When you skip for 30 seconds for 4 points, you see that this one say 42 seconds for 10 points. If you want that also, you could go ahead and just click on that, and then you view for 42 seconds, and then you get 10 points for that also. So you could see that this website will help you a lot. So thank you very much, and then if you are new here, please like, subscribe, and also hit the notification bell to be notified anytime we post a new video. Thank you very much, and I'll see you guys in the next video, which we are going to talk about how to make money online on various websites that I've come across that are making money online on this website. So if you are new here, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to be notified anytime we post a new video. I'll see you in the next video.